In this video, we are going to solve a system using the addition method. So we have two different equations, and what we want to do is to be able to add down and get one of these variables to cancel out, either the x or the y. So the first thing you want to do is get them in order. Make sure you have your x's lined up, your y's lined up, your equals, and then your whole number. Okay, and then you want to pick one to get it to cancel out. And what you want to do is look and see if there's something easy you can multiply by. So right here, I can make this a -9 if I multiply the top by -3, and that would get my x's to cancel. Or if I wanted my y's to cancel, I can multiply the top by 4, and that would give me a positive 8y, and my y's would cancel. So I'd multiply everything on top by 4. Now, sometimes it's not easy to figure out. Sometimes it's easiest just to switch the first two numbers, like multiply the top by 9 and the bottom by, let's do a -3 so that they'll cancel out. We don't want just 3 because then they won't cancel. So you could always do that. That works every single time if you're not sure what to do. So let's look at the next slide. They chose to multiply the top row by -3. So they're getting their x's to cancel out. So they took everything here and multiplied it by -3. You get -9x, 2y times -3 is -6y, 48 times -3 is -144. Now they made no change to the bottom. They didn't need to because now this will cancel. And I get, when I add down, -14y equals -168. Now I can divide by -14 and I find out y equals 12. I am halfway there. I have my y. Now I need to get my x. So we're going to take that 12 and we're going to substitute it back in. One of the original equations, it doesn't matter which one. You can plug it in here and solve or here. Okay, let's try the top one. 3x plus 2y equals 48. So we're going to take out the y and we're going to substitute 12. Okay. 2 times 12 is 24. So we have 3x plus 24 equals 48. Subtract your 24 from both sides, and you end up with 3x equals 24. Divide by 3, and we end up with x equals 8. So our solution would be 8, 12. Now listen, you guys, remember your alphabet. Okay? X comes first. I know we found the y first, but that's a common mistake. X comes first. X is 8, y is 12. So this would be the solution. You can always go back and check that in your original equations to make sure you have it correct.